Hey boys and girls, this week you will have some math lessons assigned on Think Central. We're going to be learning new skills, so we're going to need lots of practice. So what I want to go over with you, if you have forgotten how to find Think Central and how to log on. You probably have been on Think Central with one of your other subjects, but just in case, I want to have this for you. So right now you're looking at my home page when I turn my computer on. So what you would need to do if you go up to your search bar or your tool bar up here where you can type in your address. You can search for Dickinson ISD or you can type it in. I'm going to type in www. And then Dickinson ISD. DICKINSONISD.org. And you can see that it might pop up already once you start typing in a few letters. Enter that. And then I get this page here, which is the Dickinson ISD homepage. If you scroll down, you will find Symbaloo. And Symbaloo, if you click that on, you'll get this screen with all these different icons. And you're familiar with Google Classroom, and you're familiar with Prodigy, which is down here, but where is Think Central? It's close to where Prodigy is. So if you go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's a 5 by 5 actually, 5 rows, and then go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's this blue icon that says Think Central. So when you click that on, you will get a screen that looks like this. It's going to take a little while to fill this part out. But once you do that, we're going to click Remember My School. So first of all, your country is the United States. And then we're going to find the state. So most of you know you live in Texas. So if you click on this, you can scroll down to find Texas. Or if you click on it and you just put a TEX, there it is. But again, once you find Texas, click on it so it stays. Okay, now we're going to move down to the next line, which says select your district, which is your school district. We are in Dickinson ISD, so I can scroll down all these hundreds of schools, or a little bit easier, if once you're in there, you have it clicked on, just click on or type in DIC, and you'll see Dickinson ISD right here, Dickinson Independent School District. Click, select that, and then we're going to move to the next line, which is school. And here is Calder Road Elementary. Select, and then click Remember My School. That's the easy part. So here is your username. Your username is very peculiar, so you have to make sure that when you type in the first 4 characters that you're using your lowercase letters. So we're going to type in a lowercase DISD, and we're going to type in your lunch number 105744. That's not your lunch number, but that's an example. And then your password is different. You have to start with a capital D. So use your capital lock or just your shift key and a D. And then back to lowercase ISD, lowercase letters, and your birth date. If you were born in January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, you need to put a 0 before the month. So if I was born in September, I would put 09, and my date, my 2-digit date or my 1-digit date or whatever it is, you need your date, and then your 4-digit year, 2009. And then all you have to do is click log on. And right here where it says save your password, if you haven't done so, save that password. That way you won't have to keep putting it in every time you get on here, okay? All right, so now we're on our Think Central page, and this is where you want to go for your assignments. And then there's some cool stuff over here. If you haven't explored this, go ahead and explore this in your free time. So go here for your assignments, click on that, and you can see that you have some assignments from Miss Hendrickson that are due this week. So by the time you get this video, those will be finished. So here's Miss Ivory's class, it's mathematics. If you'll click on lines, rays, and angles, and then you can click on it again to get started. It'll take you through the interactive video here.
Points, lines, line segments, rays, and angles.
And it will read it to you. And as it lights up, then you click on it. And you wait and you listen. And he has his little talk and you do what he needs you to do. He's kind of slow, but that's okay.
Hello! The owner of the diner wants some
And then
new
once he
benches built for
finishes,
the diner.
follow the
And
prompts.
today, the carpenter brought a sample bench he made for the owner to see. Click the truck to unload the bench.
All right, so you notice how if I click on it right now, it's not ready. I have to wait for the arrow to turn to a hand with a pointer finger. See, there we go. Now I'm ready to go, and he's going to talk some more.
Dear.
We're going to continue through that.
Everyday things can model geometric figures. Let's complete a table to help us learn about these figures.
So when you get to this
point
part
is
here,
an exact location in space.
it's a lot more interactive for you. And you'll be able to
Here's how you draw
point and
a point. You read
click
this,
to
an
get your
angle is
answers.
formed by two rays.
And you're
Now,
going to continue
let's
through.
practice with the personal math trainer.
And here's where you click on here, and you'll get 2 practice problems. But look what's over here, boys and girls. If you need help, because this is a challenging question, you can go watch Professor Berger over here, and he'll walk you through it, or this lady here. If you need a step-by-step instruction, you can click on that. If you want to see another type of example before you answer it, try that. So there's tools that you can use, but I don't think we're going to need those for what we're doing. All right, and when you're finished, you can hit turn in, and you can save and close. Okay, boys and girls? And then when you're finished with the personal math trainer,
Now try your homework on your own with the personal math trainer.
this is your
It includes-
homework. And you have, I think, it's 11 questions, 14 questions, just like in your homework paper book. Okay? And again, you have some tools over here to help you. If you need to, not for this feature, but that one's not available for homework, but it's available for when you're doing your, the yellow one. Okay, and then turn it in, and to get out of that section, just turn
It's
that
the
off,
exercise you saw at the beginning
and
of the
then
lesson.
you are finished. All right, if you have any questions, please.
Thanks for helping me describe the corner of the
You
bench
are
that the
so
owner wants.
welcome.
See you soon.
You bet. So, anyhow, that is how you get on Think Central, and that's kind of like what one of your lessons will look like this week. So please get in touch with me. If you have any questions, leave me any comments on Google Classroom. And just have a good week. I really miss you guys. Wish we were face-to-face. Take care. Enjoy measurement.